Bonjour, Year Sevens. Ça va? Moi, ça va très bien, merci. Welcome to the first lesson of our new unit. C'est moi, Miss Brown. It's me, Miss Brown. Et aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre des passe-temps. And today we are going to learn about hobbies. Okay, so here we have our new knowledge organizer that we're going to be using from now until the end of term. Each week, we'll learn roughly 5 new phrases. The first 10 phrases are already on Quizlet to be practiced. So if you haven't joined yet, click on the link on the screen and just follow that to sign up to our Quizlet. For this week, we are going to focus on the first 4 lines of our knowledge organizer. It's really important that we learn the pronunciation first, so I'm going to read them for you first, and I just want you to listen to them. Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans ton temps libre? Pendant mon temps libre, je joue au foot avec mes amis et je l'aime car c'est amusant. Okay, now I'm going to say the sentences again. This time I want you to repeat after me. Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans ton temps libre? Pendant mon temps libre, je joue au foot avec mes amis et je l'aime car c'est amusant. Great job! Let's try that again. This time I'm going to say the sentences again. I'll say them as full sentences and I want you to repeat the full thing back to me. Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans ton temps libre? Pendant mon temps libre, je joue au foot avec mes amis et je l'aime car c'est amusant. Fantastic. Okay, let's try this. I'm going to say the first word and you'll say the next one and we'll go back and forth until we reach the end. Let's give it a try. Qu'est-ce tu dans ton pendant ton je au avec ami je car amusant. Great job. Okay, let's try this. How about you say it first and I'll say the second word and we'll go back and forth that way. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Que fait ton libre, mon libre, joue, foot, mes, et, l'aime, c'est, formidable, wonderful. Okay, let's go on to the next slide. C'est les mêmes phrases, mais dans un paragraphe. It's the same sentences, just in a paragraph. So listen to me read them all together. And once I've done that, I want you to just replay it 3 or 4 times so that you get confident of how you're supposed to say this paragraph yourself. Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans ton temps libre? Pendant mon temps libre, je joue au foot avec mes amis et je l'aime car c'est amusant. Okay, now I'm going to read it and I want you to pause the video and repeat after me. Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans ton temps libre? Pendant mon temps libre, je joue au foot avec mes amis et je l'aime car c'est amusant. Great job. Okay, let's head over to our next slide. Un petit quiz. So I'm going to read to you the French first, and then just listen to them. You'll repeat after me in a second. Okay, so I'll say these first. Pendant, tu fais, je l'aime, temps libre, c'est, amusant, avec mes amis, car je joue au foot. Okay, why don't you repeat these after me? Pendant, tu fais, je l'aime, temps libre, c'est, amusant, avec mes amis, car je joue au foot. Great job. Okay, so I would like you to pause the video, get out a pen and a piece of paper, and I want you to translate these into English. Once you've done that, you can unpause the video and get out a green pen or a green pencil and correct your work. Great, so here's where our answers are, or here's what our answers are. During do you do is tu fais. Now tu fais is really interesting because it can be a question as in tu fais, do you do? Or it can just be like saying you do, tu fais. So like you do this, tu fais, and then whatever you're talking about. Je l'aime is I like, temps libre, free time, c'est, it's, amusant, fun, avec mes amis, with my friends, car, because, je joue, I play, au foot, football. Okay, so we have our paragraph again. I want you to read it out loud on your own a couple of times, and once you've done that, we'll move on to our next slide. Here's our next steps. So we're going to create some flashcards with English on one side and French on the other. I've put in lines so you can see where the chunks are for you to learn. I want you to practice these enough so that you can say and write them without any errors. And yes, apostrophes in the right place do count. Okay, à plus tard, Year 7s. Talk to you later, Year 7s.